Hey everyone, Lauren Liddell here with Motor City Spindle Repair. Motor City is a preferred partner with Fastenal, so let's learn a little bit more about our partnership and how we should work together. We specialize in rebuilding precision machine tool spindles from CNC machining centers, turning centers, and grinding machines. Often, these are the most expensive repairs at the plants you are on site at or call on or send out for repair. This is great because it gives us an incredible opportunity to generate business together and save your customers money. First, let me say it again, Motor City Spindle is here to help you provide cost savings to your customers. This is what all Fastenal customers are looking for. And please note we're not just talking about upfront cost savings. What I mean by upfront cost savings is savings your customers money on the repairs they send out every day. Yes, we can supply cost savings on these exact repairs. That is a guarantee. But even more importantly, we can provide solutions to why your customers' spindles are failing and causing less overall failures. When you combine these two facts, that is where the real cost savings come in. When Motor City Spindle uses its failure analysis report and over a dozen engineering solutions to make your customer spindles last longer by eliminating premature failures. This is where we can save your customers hundreds and thousands of dollars a year, and in many cases, millions of dollars over the life of the running machine tools.
So why should you work with Motor City Spindle Repair? Let's check out our shop so you can see why.
Here in shipping, incoming units are photographed and logged into our system. Next, we go to teardown, where all the units are torn down and inspected. The Machine Center features 3 Kellenberger grinders, including the K100. Here we do a lot of ID and OD grinding, as well as a lot of spindle tapers. The spindle room is the heart and soul of the company. Our spindle techs have 10 to 20 years, even 30 years of experience. The testing area is where all of our units get tested for acceleration and velocity as our final step. We repair, rebuild, and upgrade all major CNC spindles, and all the rest. Do you need CNC spindle repair, or do you just want to learn more? Reach out today at sales@motorcityrepair.com.